Hi, I'm James from Velocity Home Lifts. If you're building your dream home or planning a major renovation, I want to introduce to you the Compass, Australia's safest home lift, proudly designed and manufactured right here in Sydney. The Compass lift isn't just a mobility solution, it's an investment that elevates your living experience to unprecedented levels of luxury and convenience. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail and Australian ingenuity, it seamlessly integrates with your living space, blending functionality with aesthetic brilliance. What sets the Compass apart is its self-supporting steel structure, eliminating the need for expensive structural modifications to your home. Available in 4 versatile sizes, it adapts perfectly to your specific needs while maintaining its contemporary design. We back our confidence in the Compass lift with an industry-leading 25-year warranty on the motor and gearbox. That's peace of mind you simply won't find elsewhere. I'd love to show you how the Compass can transform your home. Please call me on our 1300 number to arrange a personal showroom tour and discover why so many Australians are choosing the Compass for their forever homes.